Hello milk tea lovers, welcome back. Today is all about milk tea and we are going to make it the easy way, the quick and easy way. For this I am going to use the Nestea brown sugar ready mix powder, and because I find that it is not creamy enough, I am going to add creamer as well. So I'm using a local brand of creamer here. You can use any creamer that you have available where you are. Also, once again, because I find that the taste is not rich enough, I am going to add my milk syrup. But for this, because the mix is quite sweet, what I suggest is to make this milk syrup 50-50, 50% condensed milk and 50% evaporated milk. So that is this milk syrup recipe here. And also, I am going to use my homemade brown sugar just to decorate the sides of the cup. And of course, because I'd like it to be authentic Taiwanese bubble tea, I am going to put the tapioca pearls as sinkers for this. We are going to make 3 different cup sizes so you know exactly how to make it. So you have the tall, the grande, and the venti, that's in Starbucks term, or 12, 16, and 22 ounces. Let's start by making our 12 ounces. For 12 ounces, I need hot water, 3 ounces. 3 ounces of hot water. And for our Nestea brown sugar, I am going to use scoops. So once again, I'm using a scoop here, which is about 4 teaspoons. I'm going to need 2 scoops of Nestea brown sugar. That's it. And like I said, because I wanted it to be creamier, I'm going to just add a little bit of creamer, 1 tablespoon of creamer, just half an ounce of my milk syrup. For this, because I want it to look like a bubble tea, I am going to use my milk frother. Well, to be fair, it is smelling like brown sugar milk tea. That's my 12 ounces. I'm going to put 1 scoop of my tapioca pearls. Just decorate the sides of the cup with brown sugar. This is just to make it authentic brown sugar milk tea. So there you go. It is looking absolutely creamy, beautiful. Now let's make our 16 ounces brown sugar milk tea, 4 ounces of hot water. And this time I am going to use 3 scoops of my Nestea brown sugar mix. 1, 2, 3, 1 tablespoon of creamer, and half an ounce of my milk syrup. The reason why I'm adding the milk syrup is just to make it creamier and richer. So I'm using the same amount of milk syrup for all, and once again we are going to froth. And now to assemble our 16-ounce cup, once again I am going to add 1 scoop of tapioca pearls, brown sugar tapioca pearls, ice, and then decorate the sides of our cup with more brown sugar. If you haven't yet seen the video on how to make your own homemade brown sugar, please check out the link above. For our final drink, it is 22 ounces. For this, I'm going to use 5 ounces or 150 ml of hot water. This time 4 scoops of my Nestea brown sugar mix. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 tablespoon of creamer, just half an ounce. So I have been asked, how long do you need to froth this? Well, just enough to make sure everything is well combined and you get that sweet, creamy top, okay? Very bubbly top there. For this, I'm going to use the same amount of my tapioca pearls, or maybe just slightly more because this is a bigger cup. Just a little bit more. Brown sugar along the sides. And pour our drink over. Perfect. Well, there you go. A simple 3-in-1 mix that we made a bit more premium and I'm sure tastes better with the Chao twist into this drinks. The label says just add water, but you know, we should make it more premium and more delicious to keep your customers coming back for more. And for those at home, this is simple enough to make. What we achieved using the milk frother to froth the mixture is to get that very creamy top that everyone is looking for in their bubble tea. Well, you may also use the shaker, but that is a bit too messy for me. So I like that everything is in my drink and I don't throw anything away. And also the bubble is a bit more or a lot more creamy than using the shaker. Time to give it a try. Cheers. That is brown sugar milk tea the easy way. I did try making it following the directions in the packaging, and this is nothing like what you are told to do. This is so much better. Give this recipe a try. Now, I'm just going to try the small one as well because as you notice, I use exactly the same amount of creamer and also exactly the same amount of milk syrup. So is it so much sweeter because it's supposed to be less? We'll find out soon enough, okay? It is also very creamy, beautiful texture, beautiful presentation. It's down to the taste. It is perfect. Well, there you go. Very simple recipe using instant Nestea brown sugar milk tea. If you have any questions at all about these recipes, do let me know. You will find the full recipe in this book, All Things Milk Tea. Check the description box below for details on how to order. In the meantime, thank you all for your support. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.